Good evening guys, Jason here from Blackpool Automart down here on Disley Close, right between our Blackpool Seat dealership, our Honda Superbike Centre. Across the road we have our Honda flagship dealership, our on-site MOT and servicing bays, on-site paint and body clinic, and our valeting team as well. Upon purchase of any vehicle here at Blackpool Automart, you will receive a full service and a full premium valet. Bringing you this evening this 2020 on a 20 plate Volkswagen Caravelle. It's a 2 litre TDI BlueMotion. It's a tech executive, comes with DSG gearbox and holds 11,991 miles. On those 17-inch Caravelle black diamond turned surface cut alloys. It features heated front washer nozzles with washer fluid level indicator, so you know when you're running low, but also helps in this wintry weather. Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control, electric sliding passenger doors, a reversing camera, and swivel seats in the back. Car also comes with front heated seats. As we head to the back of the car, checking out that gorgeous grey colour we have here, we'll head into the back, and your reversing camera there for you. Nice amount of boot space, can be made more, can be made less. These back three seats do slide all the way forward and all the way back, and can fold down as well. Retractable blind there for your shopping's privacy, and privacy blinds in the back windows that just hook on and pull out of the door cards. Closing the boot up now guys, we'll see that camera again, and we'll head into the side of the vehicle. So electric sliding doors to the back passengers, this side and the other side. Pull of the handle, out they come. So we step inside the car, we can see that black leather interior. Plenty of room for the passengers at the back, and these swivel chairs here. Flick of a button, the chairs swivel all the way around, so you can have your passengers face each other. And pull that lever again, and the seats come back. They also fold down and move all the way forward. We also have a beneficial table here, so your back users get the use of a table with cup holders. Push of a button and the table comes up, and the side panels will fold out and lock into place. Pushing this back down, we find some storage for the back passengers and another set of cup holders. Storage to the back of the seats. And pull a handle and that back door will close by itself. Jumping into the driver's cab now, this car comes with 4 keys, electric windows, electric heated mirrors. Jumping in, blowers are on, let's turn them down. We have your heated passenger seat and your heated driver's seats there. Mobile phone storage or a bit of change storage with a 12-volt port there. Heading up onto your display screen here, we'll turn this one on. Full DAB radio, Christmas music playing, Bluetooth connectivity, USB device connectivity, CD player, and your sound and setup there for you. With your parking sensors and your stop start technology, storage and glove box there for you, and then your multifunctional steering wheel here. You answer your calls, set your speed limiters and your cruise control, indicators and your wipers again. Setting the lights on to automatic daytime running lights. So guys, this is a big big vehicle, suit the family that like to camp. It's got a tow bar bracket ready for tow bar installation. If you have any questions about the vehicle, give us a call here at Blackpool Automart. If you'd like to make a reservation on the vehicle, you can do this online via our Cox Motor Group website, or you can give us a call and we can do that for you. It's £100 to reserve the vehicle, and it is fully refundable if you take the car for a test drive and you don't like it. So come on down, test drive the car, guys. We have the keys and it is here waiting for you. Thanks, guys.